pulls you straight down.
Что может кого подобрать? Ой, первая семерка, блядь.
Ой, я другой взял. А что это было?
А, зажди неф.
Guys, what's up? It's me, Dell. Today I'll be doing an unboxing on this 2x2 Dahan. Yep, my new speed cube I got yesterday. Yep. Oh wow, it's really nice. For turns, yeah, it's really smooth. One second. I guess it came apart right when I was doing. Oh, whoopsies. I guess this thing doesn't like me no more.
Oh my god! I'm on a YouTube video!
Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I have another unboxing. Alright, so it seems the red center cap is out of place, and I'll just pop that back in. I've been waiting for a long time for this. Alright, for some reason it's not going inside, so I'm just gonna leave it like that and keep this safe. Now the 11x11 is what I was waiting for the most, because this is Jing Ping Mo Fang. Oh, it's Mo Fang. Oh wow, that looks horrible. I guess that is how it's made. Oh wow, it's popping out, and I'm not even sure if I should open it right now. As you can see, yes, I'm just not gonna open that. Oh my god, I am so scared to open that. Alright, first up, let's go for first up. This is huge. Alright, that's actually pretty nice. That's actually pretty nice. Wow, that was a fail. I am so screwed up. Let me keep that aside. Oh man, I feel so bad.
Rami is the world record holder for 2x2, average and single, and he gets an 11, well I think it's a +2. It is in fact a +2, 13.66. Rami gets a 7. And Rami finishing up PLL. Oh. And that's a pop, so he'll have to pick up the pieces. And oh, he stumbled, and he'll try to finish this off. Rami reset the timer, so that will be a DNF for. And he gets a +2 on that 9, so that will be an 11.43. His average is not too good for him. And he will get a